Am I the only one that's like whenever I got the pizza Lunchable, I would just eat the cheese and nothing else?
What the
No,
fuck
I
is
don't
wrong
know.
with you?
We'll figure it out. It's basically just fill in the
Hi.
blanks
Oh.
with cards.
Hi,
Cards are.
we're from the Church of Blank. Do you have any? I can't read. Hi, we are from the Church of Blank. Do you have a moment to talk about blank? I don't like the look of that, or the sound of that, I should say.
Yeah, how do I continue? Wait, so I just press the fucking numbers?
Rated
Yeah, it's
balls.
ad-libbed rated R.
Hi, we're
Alright,
from
let's
the
go, let's
Church
go.
of 3.5 babies. Do you have a moment to talk about a bulldozer pushing corpses?
Oh jeez.
Okay, this is a.
Jamestown?
Yes.
Or Jonestown, sorry, Jonestown.
Yeah, I was about to say like that. It's wrong.
Show in town featuring 2 women, a closet, bathtub, and a cold pizza, a cold Lunchables pizza. You know, you guys, I never had Lunchables. It's
Oh,
a very
that-
sad life. if you don't have
Heresy.
Lunchables.
That is
Heresy.
terrible.
Oh, that's
Heresy.
That's
Heresy.
Dude, Lunchables are lit,
That is
bro.
heresy.
Alright,
Dude,
imagine
I
having a
always- That
is
cold
heresy.
mini
We had
pizza.
that shitty homemade stuff, you know. I was never cool. I never had Lunchables.
Jackson.
Okay.
No, because the pizza's terrible.
Hey, I can
Okay, featuring 2 women, a clawfoot bathtub, and my devotion to Shrek. Well, I watched it.
Devotion. Devotion.
Okay, calm down. We're not making a
Devotion to
cult.
Shrek.
sick, man.
The cult of Shrek.
The cult of.
The cult of...
Okay, read the next one. Meme review.
Meme review.
My dad's mopping.
What? Yeah.
Okay, sorry, my dad was mopping the floor while contemplating about life choices. Anyways, 2 women, a clawfoot bathtub, and Santa Claus teabagging a sleeping child, taking a picture, then leaving it in the stocking. You know, it's between Shrek and Santa Claus. Fuck.
I'm giving you guys sound effects as we go. It's perfect.
I can
Hey,
hear that.
Jackson.
A sleeping child taking a picture, then leaving it in the stocking. Fuck, this is a hard choice. Okay, the child wasn't awake. I have to.
guys, I'm just playing these because these file names have nothing to them because I'm just playing them to remember what these are. Bruh.
Alright, change the name.
Fuck you say to me, you little shit! No, I have to deduct points for the sleeping child since it's not awake. So I have to deduct points, so it has to go to the track.
Ah, the Christmas spirit. You ruined the Christmas spirit.
What? Okay.
Oh fuck, the room smells like shit.
Nothing
Okay.
is funnier than. Before we go on, this video is sponsored by Rate.
You're making my video. I don't have to edit. I literally don't have to edit. It's just in the video by itself.
Oh fuck, which one?
Can I put my bow?
I've got both.
In your jaw.
The freak.
I'm gonna get a
Sometimes we need to introduce his. No, no, we don't. We don't have to. We don't have to. Stop with the.
I have so much power. I can control whether Ryan breathes or laughs.
A few
Okay,
moments
bitches
later.
alone. Shouting Allah Akbar in a crowded soccer stadium. I can say that because I'm Muslim. Yes, I am. Allah Akbar.
What does it mean, battle?
It means oh God. It's literally just oh god.
Really? Oh god, and then you explode?
It's literally oh my god. No, because
Oh my
no,
god.
I don't like that phrase. I don't like to finish it. Bitches love. Hit love.
Oh my god, Jackson, you're
Okay,
turning
let's be
this
honest.
into
Let's
a-
be honest here. Let's just imagine Hitler. And
I don't
Shrek.
want to imagine. What do you mean imagine?
I can imagine that, and that's kind of cool. I couldn't help but give a buck to the homeless guy with the sign "Will work for yet another London terror attack."
Yes, the thing.
Yet another.
Oh, okay.
Why did they keep happening?
Watson.
The deadly man, the deadly.
This man was obviously killed by penetration with a bundle of dirty silverware. Oh.
Bruh.
Oh my god, dude.
Alright, now let's
Bruh.
go. Taking turns docking all the altar. Okay.
Shit ass car. Look at Alter Boys.
Alright. Getting hot stuff. Alright. Bruh. Bruh.
I bet we are the only ones that find this funny.
The success of Doritos Locos flavored tacos, Taco Bell has decided to announce the release of their latest taco shell flavor, blank. This latest taco shell flavor. Taco shell flavor. Please.
It's latest taco shell flavor.
Bro, Ryan's laughing way too fucking much at this. I think okay, we can all Ryan just makes it funny as well.
Ryan, go
Oh,
take a
God.
break, go get some water, my man. Oh my god.
I don't know why I find it so
My Wi-Fi broke.
His Wi-Fi
I have
broke.
become
Listen to
Stephen
that
Hawking.
15 minutes of
He's,
Wi-Fi.
he's using his dial-up connection.
Bro, imagine having shittier Wi-Fi than a dude from fucking China.
sounds
Bro,
like
Ryan's a fucking. Bro, Ryan's a
sounds like a freaking
Sounds like
buzzing
R2D2.
around my ear, bro. Sounds like a freaking flies buzzing around my ear. Oh my god,
Okay.
I'm crying.
I gotta just end
Oh,
it.
okay.
Please.
Please.
Yeah.
Alright, Battle, your turn. Oh my god, Taco Bell. Please, please, please.
More Taco Bell.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
jeez, that burp.
Good one, Double D.
And on the 8th day, God was going to create the throbbing erection I get while reading Goodnight Moon to my kids. But then he decided, nah,
Get out of the microwave. Get out of the microwave.
Bro,
I'm putting that in, dude. He's gonna be a
and
microwave.
on the day, God decided that he was going to create Clumpy the Elderly. But then he decided, nah, better not.
I can hear like him when he's trying to read it, barely trying not to
know.
laugh.
I know.
That
Okay.
last one, that had me close.
Joe Ma'am, we're waiting for Joe Ma'am. Wait, waiting for George. Joe ma'am.
Georgia.
Joe man.
George. You're Georgia.
So you said Joe ma'am, alright.
Hey, Georgie.
I'm not used one for eating contest, but when I found out it was for a fat man being eaten by the donut god, Mr. Sprinkles, I just couldn't.
Keep reading them in that voice.
Is that a Kickstarter for? Why the fuck should I tell you?
To break up with him, he kept using your first gay experience at church camp as a long word
As a
for having
euphemism.
sex.
Bruh.
Church camp, church camp, church camp.
Alright, stuck between World of Warcraft and a hard place.
Yeah,
Okay.
Oh, that makes
All
sense.
these are pretty good. All these are pretty good. I could go for any of the three.